Hello students, welcome back to my class. Student, today we are going to learn about your supplementary reader chapter 4, Footprints Without Feet. The name of your book is also given based on this chapter. This is a very interesting chapter based on science fiction, Student, the word science fiction, can you say what is science fiction? The chapter Footprints Without Feet is written by H.G. Wells, a great writer, Herbert William Wells, and the story of this book is a science fiction. Now let me tell you, science fiction means fictional stories, that is maybe imaginative story, maybe based on science. So science fiction, it is having the definition in its title only. Any kind of fictional story that has been written based on scientific development, scientific innovation. So the chapter we are going to learn is about scientific innovation. In future time, what will happen, how the science is growing up, we can easily understand it. So actually this is a short story given in your chapter. The source of this chapter, Footprints Without Feet, is a great novel. The source of this chapter is a novel written by H.G. Wells. So your chapter in your book Footprints Without Feet has been taken from a big novel written by the writer itself. So बहुत बड़ा novel से इस chapter को लिया गया, and the novel was in class 12 2 years ago. From 2 years it has been omitted from the syllabus. In class 12 you can ask your seniors. It's a very interesting story about the development of science. So the source of the chapter is a novel written by H.G. Wells, and name of the novel is The Invisible Man. The Invisible Man. So this is the name of the novel, The Invisible Man, and your chapter Footprints Without Feet has been taken from this novel written by H.G. Wells. The name of the novel is The Invisible Man. Now here the title comes, Invisible Man. So student, let me tell you, is there any possibilities that a human being, can a human being make himself invisible? Invisible, गायब हो जाना. Based on this novel, in Hollywood, Bollywood, so many films have been made by so many directors based on this novel written by H.G. Wells. This is a very famous novel. And if I ask you that is there any possibility of invisibility, we have noticed, suppose in Harry Potter, you know Harry Potter, ऐसा अगर होता तो कंट्री के सिक्योरिटी के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता. हैरी पॉटर, यू नो, देयर वाज अ मैट्रेस जिसको तुम कवर कर लो. इफ़ यू नोटिस्ड J.K. Rowling सीरीज हैरी पॉटर, you know J.K. Rowling, the famous writer, the book was a big one. So there also has been given the importance of a mat, एक चादर जिससे कवर करो तो गायब हो जाता है. So here also the story is about a person who was invisible, and in our Bollywood also so many films are there. गायब एक फिल्म है, वहाँ पे भी ऐसे invisibility की theory के ऊपर लिखा गया है. So now come to the point. First of all, Footprints Without Feet, this is an abridged chapter. It is called abridged version of a big novel, The Invisible Man, written by H.G. Wells. Now you know that this chapter source is a novel, Invisible Man. Now come to the theme of the chapter. I told you also the chapter is a science fiction. The chapter has been written on the base of scientific development. And now the theme of the chapter. Theme क्या है? Actually बेटा, here the writer wanted to say that science is growing up rapidly, and so many discoveries are made, so many inventions have been created, but all those inventions have been made for human beings betterment, or sometime it become a curse for human beings. I'll go to that point. So this is also a chapter this is the chapter about a man, about a great talented scientist, about a great Griffin. He is a talented, he was a great scientist. So the chapter is about a scientist Griffin who has invented a rare drug, The drug can make a human being invisible. So the title is about that scientist. So the scientist, the talented scientist Griffin has invented a rare drug to make human beings invisible. Now we have to just I told you just few minutes ago that he has invented the drug. The drug can be used for human beings development, for security reason, for many places, but not every time it is used for human beings good things. Sometimes it became a curse. So the Griffin, who was also a lawless person, Griffin was a lawless person. He was having great angerness for society, for human beings. He hate other scientists. That's why he did not give that invention to human beings. Instead, he utilizes his invention. To take revenge on some people. He has done so many crimes by using that invention. So you know, I am just going to tell you one incident that you know about our world's best prize about literature, that is Nobel Prize. Yes, it was invented by Alfred Nobel. Yes, no? Alfred Nobel has invented this. But one incident I am going to tell you, he has invented dynamite. It is a bomb he invented at that time to make so many passages from one hill or one mountain to another mountain. People have to go around it, but he invented dynamite so that the stones may be cleared by busting that bomb. And when that invention has been utilized in war, उन्होंने इस इन्वेंशन किए थे इंसान के अच्छाई के लिए, रास्ता बनाने के, पहाड़ तोड़ के उसमें पत्थर निकाल के रास्ता बनाने के लिए. But when he noticed that उसके उस इन्वेंशन को इंसान को मारने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया गया. It was, his invention was used in war. So many bombs have been made. और उस बॉम्ब से लोगों के ऊपर लोगों को मारा गया. He became sad. He told, ये अच्छा होता शायद मैं ये इन्वेंशन ना ही करता. So then he became sad and he told, I should inspire lakhs, millions of scientists who were doing something for human beings betterment. I want to respect those scientists. So he donated all his wealth, all his property, all his earnings. उन्होंने अपने जितने पैसा, जितने प्रॉपर्टी सब कुछ डोनेट कर दिए थे. किस लिए? टू मेक वन कमिटी, द नोबेल कमिटी. एंड ही अनाउंस्ड कि वर्ल्ड के जो ग्रेट ह्यूमन बींग्स ऐसे साइंटिफिक इन्वेंशन करेंगे और उसको इंसान के अच्छाई के काम में इस्तेमाल करेंगे, माई कमिटी विल प्रेजेंट देम द नोबेल प्राइज विथ अमाउंट एवरीथिंग एंड ग्रेट रेस्पेक्ट. आज वो दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा एक प्राइज माना जाता है. सो ही टोल्ड दैट टाइम. We also know the science के invention, scientists, their intention is for helping, to help the human beings. But sometimes those were being used as a curse for human beings. So here also Griffin, he was a very talented scientist. He invented the theory of invisibility, but he took the opportunity of his invention and he used his invention to take revenge. He had committed so many crimes. So the story is about that person, Griffin, about the invention and how we can utilize that invention. So now I will go for the story. So many characters are there and it is an abridged version has been given. I am going to tell you the novel also, about the novel. So many incidents are there about this great scientist. So first of all, Griffin, he was a great scientist. His life was also very much in a topsy-turvy way. He invented the drug. He wanted to prove it by utilizing it in human body in something, but he did not believe anyone. He believed that if I want the help of anyone for the trial, they will steal my invention. So he used his rare drugs on himself and he became invisible, and he has invented the theory of invisibility, not how to come back to from invisibility to visibility. He did not invent the theory of visibility. So he invented and he took the rare drug, he became invisible. At the same time, so many incidents are happening there. When he became invisible, he took his revenge on his landowner. What happened? Invisible Man is a chapter about Griffin life story. It is not given in your chapter. At the beginning, Griffin was a talented boy. He scored good marks. He was a good boy of science. But his desire was much more. He wanted to do something by himself. He was against the professors. He was against the systems. He wanted to take money, but his parents every time told him that you are going to the wrong path. You have done so many things that was not good for us. So his parents refused to give him money, and he stole money from his father's locker. His father was a bank manager. He was working in bank. So he stole money from his father's locker. His father could not even repay that amount, and his father committed suicide. And for that reason, Griffin blamed not to himself. He blamed the society. That for the society people, they have not given me loan. They have not believed me. That's why I have stolen the money. So for my father's death, I am not responsible. This society is responsible. But when the light came, when people came to know that it is because of Griffin his father committed suicide, so his घर वाले उसे लात मार के घर से भगा दिए, जाओ तुम इतने बड़े इतने कुछ इंसान हो. Then what happened? He took a rented house in a landlord's house. Rented house में रहने लगे. But he was not paying the rent every month. He was making the room dirty, because every time he was making experiment, he has taken 2-3 rooms and he made the room a lab. Every time it was dirty one, so many test tubes are there. So his landowner so many times warned him, go leave my house. But he was not leaving the house. At the same time, he was not paying the rent. So his landowner was cursing him. हमेशा गरियाते थे जैसे बोलते हैं. He was angry of the landowner. When he invented the rare drugs to make him invisible, and when he became invisible, first of all, in his mind came the revenge. He set fire. He set fire on his landowner's house. आग लगा दिए, जला दिए. It was the winter time. अब आग लगाने के बाद भागने के समय क्या होगा? लोग पहचान लेंगे. So he invented the invisibility of human being's body, not of dress. अगर वो ड्रेस पहने रहते हैं तो उसको दिखाई देता है. So he opened all his, he took off all his dresses, बिल्कुल naked होके बाहर निकल गए आग लगा के. Because अगर वो ड्रेस भी पहन लेते हैं, because his head को कैसे, अपने माथे को कैसे ढाकेंगे, तो पूरा कपड़े उतार के निकल गए. But it was a biting cold winter time. What he will do? He was roaming here and there. He was not getting any food. He was not getting any shelter. Now he realized that I have done a wrong work. I have committed this incident in a wrong time. इतना ठंडी में, नवंबर के महीने में in England, ठंडी में घूमना मर जाने लायक हो सकता है. So somehow